Good morning, student. Here in chapter number 12, areas related to circles, it is part number 4. Now we are going to solve some examples that are areas of combination of plane figures. Now we are going to take combination of circular planes and then we are going to find the areas related to these such combinations. Now let for that here we are going to study areas of combination of plane figures. So that we take one example. Here you can see in the figure 12.15, there are two circular flower beds have been shown on the two sides of a square lawn. Here you can see that in blue color. Here given two circular flower beds, here and upside and downside of the square lawn ABCD of side 56 centimeter. Here given that lawn ABCD 56 meter and it is square and it's a diagonal of the square. As we know that the diagonal of the square intersect each other, bisects each other. We can say that bisects each other means the value of this side are equal. Four parts are equal and this angle will be 90 degree. So here in the figure you can see that if the center of each circular flower bed is the point of intersection O, as you can see here, of the diagonals of the square lawn, find the sum of the areas of the lawn and the flower beds. We are going to find the areas of this total area of flower bed and separate area means these circular beds, flower beds. We are also going to find the area of the circular flower beds and also this area of this total flower bed. Now let for that first here you can see that it is a sector. You can see that it is a one type of sector A O B, and if we put here any point P, then A P B O, it's a sector. So if you want to find this circular flower bed, the area of this circular flower bed, so we first find the area of this sector and after then we subtract the area of this triangle AOB. For that we are known about the area of this triangle. Here you can see that angle between angle of AOB is of 90 degree. So by that way it is a right angled triangle and also here two sides AO and OB are equal. So we want to find AO and OB. For that here one side is given AB, its hypotenuse is given, that is 56 meter. Its hypotenuse is given, that's 56 meter. So we can find easily AO and OB. For that the solution is given by first that from the figure here given this such figure, we want to find the here A O B. We want to find these two length, it is 90 degree. Once again here triangle given as here AOB, these two sides are equal. Here given 56 meter and it is 90 degree. So by the Pythagoras theorem, let us assume that AO and OB are equal x, and we know that it is a hypotenuse. So by using Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to AO square plus BO square, which is equal to x square plus x square. That means 56 square is equal to 2 times x square. Then x is equal to what will be? X equal to, or x square equal to 56 into 56 divided by 2. So by that way we can find x square. So let by that way here solution, area of this square lawn ABCD will be 56 into 56 meters square. As we know that the area of square is given by length square, that is 56 into 56 meters square. Let OA is equal to OB is equal to x meter. We assume OA equal to OB is equal to x meter. So that x square plus x square is equal to 56 square, 2x square is equal to 56 into 56, and x square we just divide 56 by 2, so 28 into 56. So we have the value of AO or OB as x square is equal to 28 into 56 meter square. So now let area of sector OAB is given by theta by 360 into pi r square. Here theta given is 90 degree, and 360 is equal to 1 over 4 into pi x square. X square means, so here x square we know, we just put value here 1 over 4 into 22 by 7 into 28 into 56 meter square. So now we have area of sector OAB. Now let we want to find the area of triangle OAB. Now for that we know that if you want to find area of this triangle AOB, it is 90. These are equal. These are x square. X. So if we want to find the area of this triangle, so we know that half into area of AOB is equal to half into base, that is x, into its altitude, that is x. So by this way we can find the area of AOB. So that here area of triangle AOB is 1 over 4. Why we have taken here 1 over 4? Because here given x square is equal to 28 into 56 meter. Here given x square 28, यहाँ पे जो है 1 over 2 into 28 into 56 मीटर स्क्वायर है. तो 56 को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें और 2 से डिवाइड करें, तो यहाँ पे 56 हो जाएगा, और 2 इंटू 2 विच इज इक्वल टू 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 into is equal to 56 into 56 meter square. So area of फ्लावर बेड ए बी इज इक्वल टू, क्या करना पड़ेगा हमें, जो एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर है उसमें से एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. तो 1 over 4 इंटू that is given, and here also value given meter square. After substituting common terms, 1 over 4 common, 28 from here, 28 common, 56 common, remaining part here 22 by 7 minus, we subtract 28 from here, so 2 is remaining. So after that 1 over 4 into 28 into 56 into 8 by 7 meter square. It is the area of flower bed. Now we want to find the total area of flower bed. Similarly, area of the other flower bed we just as it is similar. So therefore total area क्या हो जाएगा, तो एक तो स्क्वायर है उसका एरिया, फिर 2 फ्लावर बेड का एरिया, तो टोटल कॉमन टर्म निकालने के बाद यहाँ पे 28, 56 तीनों में से कॉमन निकल सकते हैं। यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा, 28 निकाल दिया तो 2 बचेगा, और यहाँ पे 4 2 ज़ा 22/7, 4 2 ज़ा 8, 2/7. So at last we get such a equation, that is the area of total area of flower bed is 4032 meter square is given. Alternatively, one solution, that total area is given by area of sector OAB plus area of sector ODC plus area of triangle OAD and plus area of triangle OBC, as you can see in the figure, from this figure. So after putting this all the value, we can find at last this answer is 4032 meter square, which is required answer. Now let here given that find the area of the shaded region in the figure 12.16, where ABCD is the square of side 14 centimeter. Now you can see here, we want to find the area of shaded region, means here blue color area we want to find. So we have to subtract these 4 circles, area of these 4 circles from this square. For that, how can we have to know about the radius of the circle. We don't know the radius of the circle, but here given that it is square with a side 14 centimeter, means this then total length will be 14 centimeter. Then its half is 7 centimeter, and it will be the diameter of this circle, and it will be the diameter of this circle. So the radius of the circle will be 7/2. So by that way, area of this square is ABCD is equal to 14 into 14 centimeter, 196 centimeter. It is total area of this square. We are going to subtract 4 area of the circular region from this area. So diameter of this each circle will be 14/2 centimeter, that is 7 centimeter. So by that way radius कितनी हो जाएगी उसकी, 7/2 centimeter. Area of the circle pi r square is equal to 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2 centimeter square. So now it is area of one circle. Here given 4 circle, 1 2 3 and 4. We are going to subtract 4 area of 4 circles from these required space. So let is equal to 154 by 4 is equal to 77/2 centimeters square. Therefore, area of the 4 circles is multiplied by 4, that is 154 centimeters square. Then, hence, area of shaded region is equal to 196 minus 154 centimeters square, which is equal to 42 centimeters square. So by that way, we can find this area. Now here given the example number 6, find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.17, where ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter and semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as diameter. Now we want to find the shaded design. We want to find the area of the shaded design. For that, how can we find? Here let us draw some figures, from that we can conclude. Here you can see that in the square A B C D, it is 10 centimeter. It is 10 centimeter. So here you can find, if you draw taking center here BC, if you draw one circle, one semicircle, so this side, and also from here. So So you can if you subtract this area of these two semicircle, if you subtract area of these two semicircle, then you can find this area, then you can find this area. If you subtract the area of these two semicircle, means if you join it, then it will be one total circle. If you join it with it, then means if you subtract the area of circle from this square, then you find this region. So we find this region, but here given if you one also, that if you draw taking center from here and also you draw, so here also two region are given. So just we multiply this region, these two region, four times, two times, then we get find the this colored area. So let from the figure, let us mark the four unshaded region as 1, 2, 3 and 4. So area of 1 and area of 3 shaded area क्या हो जाएगा? तो area of ABCD minus, as we know, area of two semicircle of each of radius 5 centimeter. So it will be equal to 10 into 10 minus 2 into 1 over 2 into pi into 5 square, which is centimeter square. So 100 minus 3.14 into 25 centimeter square, which is equal to 21.5 centimeter square. So it is area of 1 and 2, and it is equal to, so similarly area of 2 and 4 also 21.5 centimeter square. So area of shaded design equal to area of ABCD minus area of 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hence 100 minus 2 into 21.5 centimeter square is equal to 100 minus 43 centimeters square equal to 57 centimeter square. Why we have subtracted the these four areas? Because we want to find colored area, blue color area. So we have to subtract these four shade from the total area of square. By that way we can find the area, colored area, so 57 centimeter square. Now one more example from exercise number 12.3. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the figure 12.24. Find the area of the design. You want to find this area, designed area. For that we just remember that from the figure we want to find the it is the median AD. AD is the median of triangle of equilateral triangle ABCD. If you draw diameter, then AD is a median of equilateral triangle ABC. So we know that the triangles, so if you want to find the radius of this circle AO, then it will be equal to, as you know that radius of R circle 32 centimeter, AD is the median of triangle ABC. So if you want to find radius of such type of design, then circle AO, it is equal to 2 by 3 AD, 2 by 3 AD. It is formula to find the radius of such type of equilateral triangle. So AO is equal to 2 by 3 AD, that is equal to 32. Hence we want to find AD. So AD is equal to 48 centimeter. 48 centimeter. Now we want to find if we want to subtract, we want to find this design area. So we have to subtract the area of this equilateral triangle. For that we have to know about one its altitude and its base, or we know that the area of equilateral triangle we have studied, area of equilateral triangle equal to कितना होगा, square root 3/4 into side square into side square. So by that way, if we know one this length of this side, then we can find easily the area of this equilateral triangle, and we subtract this equilateral triangle from area of circle, then we can find this designed area. So we have its median AD. So here you can see that it is a right angle triangle. Here ADB is a right angle triangle, so we can find the value of AB. For that, so here in triangle ABD, we know that by the Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Now, what will be the BD? Here we know that AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. In equilateral triangle, their sides are equal. So AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. So we can also BD. So we can write BD is equal to half of AB. BD is equal to half of AB. So AB square is equal to 48 square plus BD will be half of AB square. Half of AB square. So here we just move AB by 2 square on LHS, then we can find 3AB square by 4 is equal to 48 square. Hence we can find AB is equal to 32 square root 3 centimeter. 32 square root 3 centimeter. Here 32 3s are 96 and here square root 3. So we just here we can write, if we divide here, so we find square root 3, because square root 3 into square root 3 equal to 3. So square root 3 will be cancelled. So here 32 square root 3 centimeter, it is a AB. So now we have side AB, so we can find area of equilateral triangle ABC is equal to square root 3 by 4 and side square, that is 32 square root 3 all square. So square root 33 square root 3 by 4 into 32 into 3 is equal to 96 into 8 into square root 3. So it is equal to 768 square root 3 centimeter square. Area of circle is given by pi r square. So 22 by 7, 32 square. So by hence we can find 22,558 by 7 centimeter square. So area of design is equal to area of circle minus area of triangle ABC. So here 22,578 by 7 minus 768 into square root 3 centimeter square, which is the required area. So now solve some example from the exercise number 12.3. There are given question number 1 to 5. Solve it by yourself.